Hi guys, today we are going to do something exciting in App Lab. We're going to try something different today. Something that we haven't experienced yet. So first, let's go in data. And we can use the data of when we go to animals. You can choose an animal, but I'm choosing birds. We import the data. And then here we have our data. Let's check it out. Wow, look at all of this. It's got about a lot of bird kinds, like 98. Let's get back to data and design our project. First we put, first we will be putting a label on top right here, and let's write something in our label. I'm gonna write the world of birds, because today's project is about birds, so what's the harm in writing that? We change its position into the middle, and let's choose a theme. I'll try lemonade. Well, looks good. Next, let's put a image right there. Let's change the size. Over here in the width, I'll put 245. Is that no, it's 245. And then in the height, I'll be putting 204. Let's slide our image to a different place, right here. And now let's put a button. Let's write an ID. Well, let's write text on the button. I'll write fly, because this word, I think it's related to birds. So in that button ID, we can even change the button ID. Go to button underscore bird. Okay. And then now we need place the button at the bottom and add a label as well. The label will be put right here. Let's empty the label from text, and let's give it a little wider width, like how about 34? No, that's too less. 150? What about 200 instead? Yeah, that's wide enough. But is it long enough? No. Then there it is. Now let's place it right here. And then mine's done. Now let's give the label a color, because it doesn't have a color. So let's give no, it's not important to give the label color. Now, as we've got that, we go to code. And as always, we put this block first. Now, on event, we will make it when we press our button. Then we go to data to choose read record. Wow, that's a lot, but we'll need to do a little debugging over here. Read records. Well, let's see what record it's got itself. Otherwise, we will make it 100 species of birds. 100 species of birds. 100 species of birds. Now we won't be needing this part, so we take it all out and throw it in the trash. We'll be putting our own stuff. We will need a variable over here. By the way, I think this one's wrong. We'll be putting 100 birds off the world. There you go. And then we take this one. We put it, oh wait, where did it go? Okay, let's take another one. Put it right there. Over here we write bird index. The other side we use a block from math. That will be random number 1 till, let's see how many birds does the data have in it. It seems to be having 98. So back to code, and instead of 10, we will put random number 1 to 98. Oh. There we go. Okay, now we go to UI and controls, set text. We make this to label 2. Yes, because label 2 is the one that we put right there and wrote nothing in it. Now let's go to variables, and over here we look for, which one is it? We added these purple blocks from the variables section and this yellow one from the UI controls. Now let's try to run our code once and see how it works. You press fly. Here's the name, Golden Finch. Wow. Let's try again. As we press fly, it shows different birds to us. Like, look at all of these. It's actually working. So guys, tell me if yours works or not. Bye. See you soon.